This part of the test will measure your listening ability when it comes to the conversations and lectures in academic settings. You will listen to a recording, and then answer questions about it. You will be able to take notes while listening, and you can listen to the recording only once. The questions must be answered in the presented order. During the exam, you will not be allowed to go back to the previous question. Now listen to the lecture.
Beavers are herbivores, which means they eat mostly plant material. Their main food sources include water plants, tree bark, twigs, and leaves. Alder, aspen, willow, cottonwood, and other tree types are favorites of beavers. However, depending on the amount of food supplies in their habitat, this choice may fluctuate. Beavers are extremely versatile animals that can change their food to suit their surroundings. Beavers rely on a supply of underwater stored branches and twigs near their lodge during the winter. Their survival during this difficult winter, when the water surface freezes and access to food is restricted, is ensured by this cache, which was built in the autumn. Beavers, however, eat a range of aquatic vegetation, including water lilies and pondweed, during the warmer months. The beaver's capacity for environmental adaptation is highlighted by the seasonal variations in their food. Beavers are extremely adaptable, but they are nevertheless susceptible to the effects of human activity. The availability of the preferred tree species for beavers may dwindle as humans continue to intrude on their habitats. Because of this, beavers might be forced to eat less, which could ultimately harm their general health and well-being. Additionally, the loss of the beneficial ecological services that beavers perform, such as the filtration of water and the development of habitat for other species, could result from this drop in preferred food sources. It is important to remember that the ecology is greatly impacted by the feeding habits of beavers. Beavers cut down trees and consume vegetation, resulting in wide spaces that let sunlight into the forest floor and encourage the development of a more diversified plant life. Beavers are nature's gardeners in a way. Additionally, they built wetlands through the construction of dams, which serve as crucial habitats for a variety of species, including fish, birds, and amphibians. These same operations, nevertheless, can also result in precious timber being lost and flooded human infrastructure. To sum up, beavers are herbivores whose main food sources include water plants, tree bark, twigs, and leaves. Their eating habits have a big impact on the ecology, and their food preferences vary based on their habitat and the availability of resources. Understanding the food of beavers and its broader implications is crucial for their protection as human activities continue to endanger their ecosystems. Beavers are nature's gardeners in a way.
Now listen to the conversation between two people.
Welcome to the REM sleep lesson. Extensive research has been done on this intriguing sleep stage, and knowing how it works can help us comprehend many different facets of our lives. In today's lecture, we'll talk about what REM sleep is, how it helps us learn and remember things, and how it affects our mental health. The quick and erratic movement of the eyes, a lack of muscle tone, and a propensity for vivid dreaming are all signs of rapid eye movement, or REM sleep. As the night goes on, this stage of sleep normally begins around 90 minutes after falling asleep and repeats every 90 minutes or so, growing longer and more intense. The brain is reportedly very active during this stage, with neural activity resembling that of alertness, according to researchers. The importance of REM sleep in learning and memory consolidation is one of its main tasks. During REM sleep, the mind is like a sponge, soaking up information and experiences from the day. The neuronal connections in our brains get stronger when we practice a skill or learn new knowledge. These neuronal connections are strengthened during REM sleep, enabling the consolidation and long-term retention of recently learned information. Lack of REM sleep can impair cognition, cause memory lapses, and make it challenging to learn new information. As I already indicated, REM sleep and emotional health are intimately related. Research has shown that the brain processes emotional experiences when you are in REM sleep, which can assist in regulating mood and lessen the strength of unpleasant feelings. In essence, REM sleep serves as a natural form of therapy that helps us manage stress and maintain emotional balance. Unfortunately, sleep problems and lack of sleep can obstruct this normal function, leaving one more susceptible to mental health problems and more emotionally reactive. REM sleep is an essential part of our sleep cycle. The mind is like a sponge, soaking up information and experiences from the day.